Speakers, do you have a strong self-image? Self-image is the way you look at yourself. Do you consistently ask people around you like, am I looking good in this dress? Is my texture of hair good? Is it suiting me? Is this lip color suiting me? So, and the moment some people say that, yeah, I think you look little fat in this dress. Yeah, I think you look little awkward. You say yes, it is validated and you accept it immediately. You know what is that? That is low self-image. Yes, that means you do not value yourself. If you would have valued yourself, you would not have asked or questioned people around you, right? It's very important for a public speaker to have a very high self-image. Now, do you tell yourself consistently that, am I too thin? Am I too short? Do I look too tall? I don't like the texture of my hair. I don't look so smart. This is self-image. When you consistently criticize yourself, if you consistently criticize yourself a lot, if you criticize your own body, your looks, stop doing that. Start loving yourself and feel grateful and feel blessed about the features which you have. You know, if you have 2 eyes, 2 ears, 1 nose, 1 mouth, 2 hands, 2 legs, feel grateful from within, because many people do not even have that, right? So as a public speaker, as I said, you need to have the strongest self-image as possible, not in front of other people's eyes, but in front of your own self. So let's talk about how to develop that self-image. Affirmations. Tell yourself that I'm the most confident person in the world. I'm the brilliant speaker. I'm the best person in the world. I am good enough. I am powerful. I am smartest. I am the strongest. Keep watching.